This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marian Windridge. Charming country 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home on 2.7 acres. Features include soaring ceilings, beautiful fireplace, spacious screened porch and large master suite. Horse barn with feedroom, vehicle storage, and space for a workshop. Beautiful property with an abundance of beautiful large mature oaks. Indian Hammock is a gated community of 3,600 acres and approximately 2,400 acres of preserve. Amenities include a private airport, skeet and trap ranges, 5-stand shooting, NRA-certified rifle and pistol range, a clubhouse with restaurant, fully equipped fitness center, heated pool, guest cabins, tennis courts, horse stables, riding arena, and miles of trails to ride. Indian Hammock makes the perfect family retreat 1.5 hours to Palm Beach County. This is a gated community and an appointment is needed to enter. Please call several days in advance to schedule. For more information, review the details below or contact Marian Windridge at 772-708-5592.